We're recording! For this first video, I would cook something very quick, butternut squash here, and we're going to make a sauce with some miso, some coconut sugar, any sugar is good, and some butter. We're just going to put it in a pot, and then we'll just get it hot, and we're going to mix it, and it essentially becomes a homogeneous sauce. Don't try to try it with your finger because hot sugar will burn the shit. I think that's a good tip. I'm just going to stab it in the middle of the pot. Then we're just going to take a spoon and we're just going to pull the seeds out. Do the same thing to the other half. A small amount of olive oil in, drizzle down the side. And then I'm going to season this, sprinkle it, boom. That's us. I'll put this in the oven. We're going to make the sauce. We're going to start with our miso. We're just going to scoop that into our pot. In goes my sugar. That looks good to me. I'm going to take my butter, drop that in there, and then I'm going to get this on the heat. Easy. Like honestly, it's hard to f that up. So we're going to take that, we're going to put it on the heat and just get it starting to melt. Cooked as. Looking shiny and delicious. So I've got my butternut squash. I've got my delicious miso butter sugar concoction. I'll just give it a little bit of a dress here. Yeah, I'm just going to put a good amount of sauce on top. This is what I've got in the end. You can see that here. I'll put it on a slight angle. Oh my God! Ah! That's really good. That's really good. See you next time.